Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store. You will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device. If not, simply check our tutorial of how to add it. Okay. And then you will be able to follow everything. So let's simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all the apps which can be updated. So all you have to do is to mark those which you want to update. Of course, you can mark all of them, and tap on Update icon in the right upper corner. And right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.